You may have, if you are in these Instagram and Facebook streets, you may have been seeing a lot of blue checks, all right?
Mm.
AKA people getting verified. Me and Moose are actually one of them as well, okay?
Hello.
However, how, why, what is this meta verified, and should you get it? Okay, so of course we covered when Elon, I called him by his first name, okay, but when Elon Musk did that for Twitter with Twitter Blue and charge people for verification. Now, what that does from their end is it gives you the blue check, it helps with impersonations, and it gives you some extra features, right? Now, with Meta Verified, they did a little bit different, similar, but different. One, price is different, it's higher, okay? Two, to get verified, you actually need some form of ID. Where before with Twitter, it was a free for all. Anybody could get verified. You make a account, you get verified, right? But with Meta Verified, you need an ID, and I believe on mobile it's $14.99, and then $11.99 if you're doing it through web, and it's only through Facebook, right? It's only for Facebook, it's not for Instagram. So those are the price points. Now, what do you get by paying for it? Because a lot of people are going, it's funny because those people who were so upset about paying for a blue check are the same ones that are paying for a
That's
blue
right.
check. But that's,
FOMO.
yeah, that's neither here nor there. That's neither here nor there. Let's talk about some of the benefits of having this blue check through Meta Verified. So not only do you get the verification, and it helps as far as those fake pages that are happening, but you also do get exclusive features. For right now, it's going to be some stickers through stories and reels when it comes to Instagram. And then on Facebook, you get like extra 100 stars per month, right? And they're going to continue to give more features for those who are verified. You also get direct customer support. So we all know when there's something wrong with our Facebook, with our Instagram, we can't ever reach anybody through customer service. Never. It's the most impossible thing. Well, uh, Meta said, don't worry about it. You could pay to talk to us, which I still find is a little wacko, but hey, it is what it is. And then the last one, and I'm not surprised, it increases your reach, right? Both platforms have been an issue when it comes to reach. Reach has been down for months. I will almost say a year, right? Maybe even more. This, I believe, was a setup for, hey, I'm you can possibly get reach by yourself, but if you pay, we will give you the reach that you were getting before, right? Or that you should be getting in the first place. So that is what Meta Verified is. And to get Meta Verified, right? Say that 5 times. It's very hard. But to get Meta Verified, all you have to do if you're in the Instagram app or Facebook app, you go into your settings, you go into Account Center, and on there you will be able to see Meta Verified. If you're not, you may still have to be on the waiting list, or it may be rolling out. So don't be like, oh my God, I don't have it. But it is rolling out to everyone in the US. Australia, Zealand already has it, but it has been rolling out to the US. So if you're going to get Meta Verified, or planning on getting Meta Verified, or don't even care for it, let us know. If you're watching this on YouTube, put it in the comments, put it in the chat. If you're listening to the audio, please hit us up on social media and let us know, are you going to get Meta Verified?
I did. I went for it.
You did before
Which
me.
was, I know, which is surprising because usually I'm like a late boomer to all of these things. Remember when what's it called? Oh man, Clubhouse. When Clubhouse came out, it was like, hey, you should join Clubhouse. I'm like, I don't want to. Hey, you should really join Clubhouse. No, I don't think it's gonna be relevant.
All right.
Hey, you should join Clubhouse. I'm like, fine, I'll join Clubhouse. Then I was like, dang, I was late to the party. I mean, granted, it didn't have a super lifelong, it didn't last that long, but still, I'm telling myself now, and just to give a word to fellow introverts and air traffic controllers out there, your success will always be limited the more you fight change. I can almost guarantee it. Because fighting change translates into not going with new innovations and trying to hold on to what has been your traditional norm. And the world is not going to ever stop changing, especially not today. So when that thing popped up, I was like, oh, I could do it? Oh, I'm going to go. And I took counsel from, remember when we had Glenn on the podcast? I said, Glenn, what's your take on that? He said, bro, what are we talking about? I'm going to pay that. I'm like, well, if he's going to pay it with, 1 million followers and all the crazy stuff, it's like, what are we thinking about? Let's just go make an investment into your business and make it happen. So yeah. I'm proud of myself on that one. I made the move. I was like, yeah, I'm going. Let's go. Let's figure out the rest later. We'll, very un-ATC like of me, because usually I'm like, with and and there was no
like
zuza on this one. Yeah, no, that's how you usually, got to talk it out. But there was no no planning on this one. Oh man, good stuff.